1 million people in around this Shahjatul Bagherhat. Actually, this is excited time. You can see two locomotives is over there. Actually, they are going faster than rocket. You can see, oh my God, it's very fast. And here you can see, oh my God, generally it will be faster. Last I don't know, so it is going over there. Lots of people they are trying to do fast, and it, oh my God, they are kick. This code is going faster than rocket, but a number of people there cover is this board. You can see lots of people there coming beside him, so lots of people they're trying to be good performance from this side, so they are going over the so actually they will be light now, will be over this cross, but I don't know what I have to do. I don't know, so actually I'm showing about this meter. Actually, oh my God, they're going over this meter. Oh my God, this is very fantastic time, and we are getting lots of view in here. Lots of people they are trying to be good performance from this side. Actually, it is very good performance from this side. Lots of people they are enjoy this time. Actually, this time is very well, and lots of board giving flash and light. You can see this is very beautiful looking. So actually, at this moment we are trying to do work in here. You can see breezes, gentle breezes blowing over there. Actually, Majon stone and incountable to this work, and oh my God, this location is very actual. Night is coming, so the sky is giving a fly, light of fly is going over there. Actually, oh my God, you are showing over the breezes. Oh my God, like breezes over. Lots of people they are standing, they are sitting, they are sitting in the car. They are over this like a breeze. So actually, this is one of the most beautiful space in Shahjatul Bagherhat. So it's just standing, it is most popular space. So you can see right side, lots of people they are getting good performance from this side. They are ready for this bice. Actually, they are trying to be good performance from this side all the time. They're trying to be good performance from in here. Actually, sometime because they will start this performance in here. You can see lots of people they are waiting for this starting. So actually, it will be very possible for him because they are trying to be work every year they are playing in here. Actually, it is very well for us. So actually, you can see that lots of people they are enjoy this party. Actually, one of the most popular Shahjatul Bagherhat every year playing in here, and lots of people day by day it will be growing very well. It will be very well in here. You can see, oh my God, already night is coming and day is in. Actually, you can see lots of time, lots of people they are trying to work in here. Shahjatul Bagherhat, one of the most talked about. Oh my God, actually people has gone and people has believed this like people leave this space because already Noka Bice is in right now. So tomorrow next Bice in here will come in here every single day because lots of people they're trying to be good performance. They're showing this in here. They're standing one of the most popular space, but they cannot come in here because I'm showing all the time. I'm showing to people him here trying to, you can see already Bice is in, but we are not possible this space. So it will be very possible for us. Lots of people they are living like Dhaka. They cannot see this performance. So actually, I'm showing this performance. People has gone right now. You can see. Oh my God, lots of people they are come back his house because already Bice is in. Next tomorrow it will be final match. Will come must because this is our daily routine. So actually I don't go there because already time is over. Noka Bice is in right now. Actually Noka board like now you can see board is ready for the bicing. So actually it will be very possible because they are bicing every single day. Actually Bice is coming. You can see there are so many people trying to do work. Actually this is very good performance. So above unthinkable point. This is, oh my God, there are people, lots of people they are standing over this like a board. Oh my God, because they have habit of people have a habit of loving this board. People having a like a joining. Actually it will be very possible for us. You can see already lots of people this around. Oh my God, how much people in here I don't know, but I'm trying to understanding here like 1 million people in around this Shahjatul Bagherhat with the historical people. So actually I have to over this time. So because it is not bad, it is very useful for us. You can see, oh my God, actually gentle breeze is blowing over there. Lots of people they are trying to be good performance from this side. So hope to see you tomorrow. Next I will show this video. I think today's video, in this video, especially for these beautiful people, not beautiful. This video like honest person and HRM people, HRM lecturer people. You can see this is, oh my god, beautiful people looking. Sky is giving beautiful. Oh my god, there are lots of people there enjoy this party. So okay, thank you very much.